We recently took a trip to Animal Kingdom at Walt Disney World, and if you know anything about that park, it is hot in the summer. So this gorgeous sun umbrella came in handy. I mean, if you just look at it, it's so pretty. So many of them are just black and not pretty at all. This one's gorgeous. It has a little rickrack along the edge and a beautiful snap, and the design on the outside is just so dainty, pretty, and colorful. But don't let that deceive you because the underside is exactly what it needs to be. It is a 50 SPF 99.9% UV protection, which to me is everything. The temperature, I swear to you, drops by 10 degrees when you put that darn umbrella over your head. So it can be a little bit hard to get the umbrella to come down, which I didn't hate, but it goes up. All you do is push that button and it pops right up. So I loved that. It does have the little button right on the handle, which was really convenient. It also has a little hook so you can hang it on your bag or anywhere convenient. The metal on the inside is super sturdy and thick, which is, I think, what makes it a little more difficult to pull it down. But I was not sad about that because it really is sturdy. So when the wind blows and stuff, my umbrella stays in place, where I see a lot of umbrellas go upside down. Hope this was helpful.